Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to pay HDFC credit card bill on PhonePe. So friends, at first you have to launch PhonePe in your mobile phone. If your PhonePe is locked, you have to unlock your PhonePe. After that you have to click on credit card payment. Now here you have to enter your credit card details, that is your credit card number, then validity, month and year, and then CVV. After entering all these things, you have to click proceed button. After that you have to enter the bill amount and then press proceed to pay. If you have multiple bank linked with PhonePe, then select the desired paid from where you want to debit the amount, and after that you have to press pay button. As you see, the bill amount is 2652 and PhonePe is charging ₹1 since I am using their platform. For the security reason, this screen is black. Now you have to enter your UPI pin. After entering the UPI pin, just press OK button. See, the payment is successful. You can check the details of the payment. Just click on view details. Here you will find all the details relating to this transaction. So you can also find your transaction ID. So friends, in this way you can pay your HDFC credit card bill through PhonePe. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.